Hi everyone. I'm not gonna do Felicity's intro because I'm me, taking over a channel for a video, and I'm gonna show you how to make squishies more slow rising temporarily. So you see this ice cream squishy, very, very nice. Just not that slow. I guess it's slow rising, but like not the super slow rising. Yeah. Okay, so how to make it slow rising. So you get your squishy. Squish. No, help me. No, sorry. And you put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. I will be right back because I'm putting this in the freezer and I'm bringing out the other one that I did earlier to show you guys.
Don't tell her.
Now, it will be frozen cold, and that's part of it, because as long as it's cold, it's like slow rising, but as soon as it gets warm, it starts to go back normally. So, look at this.
Oh my god, that's actually pretty cool.
Still rising.
Well, and all you needed to do is put it in the freezer?
Yep, for 10 minutes.
Whoa.
Temporarily, though, it doesn't stay this way.
Wait, what if I put this slow rising one in the freezer and make it extra slow rising?
Yep, I had a slow rising one at home, and it was like one of the really slow rising ones. So, sorry. And I put it in the fridge, and it basically didn't rise. That's how slow rising it was. It's still rising. There's nothing to squish for you guys. Felicity, put a timer on for 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Alright, it's best if you put a timer on for 10 minutes, but if you leave it in the fridge longer than 10 minutes, it'll be more slow rising. So, like, once this warms up, hopefully.
Okay, never mind.
Alright, see how now it's warming up. It's getting more risier. Yeah, that's because it's warmer. So you see how slow rising it was compared to this now? Yeah. So that really works. So short video, but there's nothing else for me to do unless you want me to advertise deodorant.
Not sponsored, BTW.
Not sponsored, by the way.
This cat is so cute. I just love him so much.
Yay, squishies. Oh wait, I didn't show you the full squish. I'm sorry, my bad. Oh my god, my cousin stole my cat ears and I only just found them. They're mine.
No, they're mine. No, they're mine. Mine. Oh, we need to put Gerald in a video.
Oh, this is Gerald.
Yeah, he's my best friend. How dare you?
This is Ted. Yeah, well, hopefully your squishies are more slow rising. Bye, people.